Our trailers are built with your safety in mind. From the bulldog couplers that have a locking pin on them to the safety chains and breakaway switch. If the vehicle came separated from the trailer for any reason, the brakes would automatically be applied. And then you have also the brake controller, which you control from your vehicle, extends the life of the brakes on your vehicle by utilizing the trailer's brakes to slow you down. And you won't find any wooden decks here. All of our trailers are built with steel construction, steel deck plating, and anywhere there's equipment mounted, you have steel reinforcements under the deck that it's actually bolted through. All of the trailers are DOT compliant with side marker lighting and reflective tape on all three sides. And our trailers are designed with 60-40 weight distribution to ensure safety going down the road so you don't incur any fishtailing. If you want to find more about the specifications of our trailer, check out our products page at dustlessblasting.com.